Good morning. This is Noonies. Thanks for watching Adventures with Noonies. Don't forget to press like and subscribe. This video is going to be a little different in that it's going to cover my attempt to do 20 miles in 8 hours, which I'll really be happy if I do it in 10 or 12, on the Mammoth March at Burr State Park in Ohio, up north a bit. But I stayed up all night because I was so nervous, and I fell asleep when my first alarm went off, so I overslept and I should have left like about an hour ago. So I'll be late. The good thing is they accept you to walk late, but not early. I really wanted to be there early. So the positive in all this is I'm not as nervous anymore. So it's all good. So I'll see you at Burr Oaks. Well, I'm here finally, an hour late. That's okay. I heard there's other people here with the same check-in time as mine, 8:15, and it's 9:14. So there's still pretty many people here. The difference in this from my other videos is I'm just going to show you, probably not the trail, but as I get closer to, or as I go to each checkpoint. I'm not sure yet how this is going to happen, but I'm going to focus on the trail of completing it and not filming it. So here we go. We are off. We're off. So excited. So pretty. I'm loving this. Oopsie. I was so scared to do this that I have been making myself cranky, irritable. Sorry, people. But glad I'm here and so far doing well. Made it. Ooh. Made it to the first water stop. One more water stop, 2 medical stops, and then the end. We got this. Whoop, whoop. I'm halfway done. Oh. Oh. This is a killer. My left leg went out and my right knee. So I think I'm going to call it quits at the aid station just a mile away. I know I can do it, but is it smart to do it? I don't think so. Do I have a burning desire at this point? No. It's not worth having another overuse injury. So it'll be 11 miles with this elevation that I'm not used to. I'm patting myself on the back. A data girl. Yeah. So, I'll let you know either at the aid station when I get a shuttle back or when I do a recap. Wow. I can say this is the hardest trail I've ever done. Yeah, I think it is. Positive is next year I'll know what to expect. Next year it will say 20 instead of 11. I'm just really tired. I'm brain dead. I'm 100% comfortable with stopping. My knee was hurting and the left knee was hurting. The right knee was giving out. So, and I've been doing better than what I did this time last year. So that's an accomplishment. I'm not going to down myself because I didn't hike the 20 miles. Shoot, I walked 20 miles last Sunday. So, I mean, I know I can do it. This elevation was crazy and my body just wasn't ready for it. But I know what to expect next year, and maybe I can do 15 next year. Maybe I'll do the whole 20. No matter what, it's all good. I'm glad I did it. Next year I won't be so scared. However, when I was on the trail, I was going, I'm never hiking again. I hate hiking. Why am I doing this? And already I'm ready for next year. So we're good. We got this. And the positive thing about the trail, no, let's start with negative. There's no negative about the trail. The trail was awesome. My negative is I was tunnel visioned, and I wish I would have stopped to take pictures and all that, but then I would not have had time. So all this training for this and the actual trail itself, that wasn't fun for me. So I don't know if I am going to do it next year. I don't know. I got to pray and meditate about it. I'll probably do it next year because it's not about being fun. It gets into you. It gets into your blood. I can't explain it. A positive about the trail, awesome people. It was beautiful, but the people were so cool. Everybody wants to help everybody out. It's just, I thought if I were on the AT, I was hiking for a while with a group that I would want to be my tramily. And what a tramily is, it's a group of people that hikes together for like a long, I don't know, maybe a long-term hike. I don't know if you could have one on a short term like this, but someone's lights came on. But yeah, I am so glad I did it. But the minute I got into the shuttle bus, it started raining. I don't know if you can see the rain here, but yeah, the sun's just now coming out, but it was pouring and it looked like it was going to be in for a while. So that's just God saying, listen to your body. You did the right thing. And like I said, 2 or 3 weeks ago, I hiked Mitchell Memorial Forest. And every time I did that before, I was hurting badly. And this time I didn't hurt. So it's progression. So I'm rambling. I am so tired. So thank you so much for watching Adventures with Noonies. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons. I appreciate each and every one of you. I'm going home, get a hot shower, and go to bed. No, ice the knees. Thank you. Have an awesome day.